Isn't that amazing? Hi there, it's Tim, and today I've got a Splach. Yeah, Splach. Splach? Splach. We'll go with Splach. This is an electric scooter. It's called the Titan. Let's get this thing opened up. So inside we've got utility, portable. I love these things. I know some people don't like them, but these little mini tools are awesome. Super handy. If you're going for a long ride, you stick that in your pouch. Love that. We've got a user manual, a box with, I'm gonna hope it's got a, little charging brick in here. That's good. Put all this stuff aside. And also bolt protectors. My fingers are too fat. Anyway. Alrighty, so all this styrofoam, I'm just gonna lift. Oh, that'll be the stem. Feels like it was kicked into place. Nice big piece of styrofoam protecting it. Another big piece here. I'm just gonna lift it out. Nice. And a piece at the front. I was protecting the light. Oh, that was smart. There we go. Oh, kickstand, it's already attached. Alrighty. Well, this looks like quite a substantial unit. Looks to me like it's twin motors. I'm actually gonna put the exact specifications on what the Titan Splach is. It looks like it's got manual brakes at the front and the back. Looks like it's got adjustable suspension front. I don't see the suspension adjustment, but rear, front and rear suspension, that looks nice. Charging ports up top here, that's interesting. On the top of the actual deck. That's unusual for a charging port. Yeah, oh, it looks like it's gonna have some interesting lights down the side. And the kickstand looks quite robust. And the tires are quite robust. So let's just get all this plastic off and go from there. This looks really nice. It's got some really interesting LED lighting fixtures on the sides of the stem and the deck. So I'm gonna look forward to what it's gonna look like when I turn it on. Isn't that amazing? Oh my God, that is so cool. That is so bright. And to my eyes, it looks like I just need to remove these 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And, oh, look at that. That's obviously the clamp for folding it down into the deck. That looks quite robust as well. Very nice. So I'm gonna loosen these all off. I think you're blocking the light. So this looks really handy because it's on a double. I'm not sure if you can quite see this. I'll ask Melissa to come around and show you. Because we're mounting this on a double bar like this, it gives it a little bit more strength. But what it also does, it gives you some mounting points if you wanted to attach, maybe you want to put another big light up top here. There does appear to be a really nice light at the very bottom here. I'm looking forward to seeing what that looks like. Oh my gosh, this light, it's so bright. Just gonna tighten up the stem mount here. And this looks like it's got 2 bolts on the side here, and it all comes nicely. I'm just gonna rotate it so you can see. Oh, nice. And it even has a logo on the actual right there as well, which is kind of nice. So let's turn this puppy on and see what it sounds like. Whoops. I'll tighten all this stuff up off camera. Nice, we got the light here going on. Horn. On the left hand side, we've got Eco and Turbo. Oh, I like the fact that it lights up so you can actually tell whether it's in Eco or Turbo, and single or dual mode. That's fantastic. Thank you so much, Splach, for sending this up to me. I'm really looking forward to doing a full review. It actually snowed here on Monday, which is very unusual for where I live. It doesn't usually snow at all, but the snow has melted really quickly, so I should be able to take this out in the next day or two, do a full review, and share with you what I like, what I don't like, and whether I think this is gonna be a big guy approved electric scooter. But so far, it looks pretty robust and quite powerful looking, so I'm excited to try this out. Check this out.